Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. We are excited to get back to Clara. We took last week off from the wrenching as Dana had her mom and granny drive up from Georgia. And then this past weekend, I actually flew down to Georgia to spend some time with my side of the family. So we need to get back to this.
And what are we going to be doing on Clara today?
So we are going to finish up, hopefully, everything that we did not complete last episode with the motor.
Okay.
So we're going to finish taking off the transmission lines. We're going to take off the drive shaft. We're going to remove the shift linkage and anything else up on top that we can. So next week, hopefully, we can get the motor pulled and get it off to the shop. So fingers crossed that today we don't have any crazy things happen. All right. Today is going to be another low commentary episode. We're just going to be grinding and focus on getting the work done with maybe some periodic check-ins. But other than that, enjoy the progress, enjoy us getting nasty, and we'll follow back shortly. Let's get at it.
Let's do it.
So we ran into an issue with one of these U-bolts on the drive shaft where it was not torqued down evenly. So one side had just a few threads showing and the other side had a ton, and we could not actually get any sockets over that bolt or a wrench in order to make it work. So we had to end up pulling out the trusty Irwin strip bolt kit and hammer it on there. It's destroyed the nut, but that's okay. At least now it's off. Now we can finish getting this U-bolt off and the drive shaft.
Hold the bin first while you pull it. What's that about transmission fluid coming out?
Well, why not? Like everything else. It's just no fluid in it. Yeah, just dry.
Poor old lady. She's all dry.
here.
You know, I'm so glad I got you working on these instead of me.
Make sure I can get to this one. Well, this was pretty cool. Dana, with her keen vision,
Ironically.
saw. I know. Ironically, I'm gonna punch you.
You can't. You're holding the starter.
I'm gonna drop it on your toe. She saw the remanufactured date on here, which is 5/19/87. That's pretty damn cool.
Yeah, it is.
It would have been better if it was a lot older, but hey, just some cool dates on here.
Well, it is 2021.
I know.
So 87's pretty good.
It is. It is. It is. Okay. Let's go ahead and drop the car now. Okay, number one success. I did not get as much grease on my face as I did last time. So that was good.
We had many more than just one success.
True, we did. Yeah, we did. The drive shaft definitely was a pain in the ass by the way that it was bolted on. The Irwin bolt set was once again a lifesaver with two different bolts that we needed to take off. One on the drive shaft, one on the starter. So that came in clutch. We've taken off all the transmission lines, the gear linkage, and I think everything else is done. So now next week, all that's left is we'll raise it up unbolt the motor mounts. Motor mounts, yes, motor mounts. And then get it up out of here. So one step closer. But thank you all once again for following along. Be sure to click that like button. That really helps Dana and I know that we're doing well in the episodes. If there's anything that you'd like to see or something that you feel that we need to change, certainly do that. But either way, thank you all very much. We certainly do appreciate it. Continue to follow along on the journey. Best way to do that is to subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you again next week.
Want a drink?
Hell yeah.
Awesome. Let's go.
Stay safe, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye. Well, you can do it. You just welcome back to the garage, friends.
Nope, I'm not doing it anymore.
All right, you ready? And then if something crazy comes up, we'll call attention to it.
You just jinxed us. Again.
Damn it! I did. Okay. All right, let's get into it and let's see if I can avoid messing anything else up. Let's get at it.
Let's do it.